Epstein files, which is rocking across the Atlantic, on both sides of the Atlantic. Heads are rolling, discussions are happening, and we also refer to His Holiness' office about the authenticity of reports that were coming out. We found that the first sources of those smear campaigns were coming from China, claiming that His Holiness has met with Epstein, and the reason for meeting with Epstein was to ask for money and all those kind of things, very ridiculous things. His Holiness, the Dalai Lama's office, had come out with a statement 3 days ago that His Holiness has never met Epstein. There was no communication whatsoever. And we have also affirmed, we have also checked our facts and found that His Holiness has never met Epstein at all. And this is the truth. China is using that to smear His Holiness' image. And we have not received any funding whatsoever from Epstein. If Epstein had been part of the hundreds of thousands of followers listening to His Holiness, we don't know. But otherwise, there is no relation with Epstein, and it's a smear campaign originating from China. His Holiness lives a very simple Buddhist monk's life. He traveled around the world, but he never charged any fee for his appearances. Never, ever. Neither in India or in any parts of the world. Of course, when you in India, it's all sponsored programs by devotees. When he travels outside, then organizers, of course, charges fees. But then whatever income comes above the expenditures, after every event, accounts are read. And whatever balance money is there, it's given for charities. His Holiness even gave up all the money from the Nobel Peace Prize to organizations. Yeah. And one time, I think Gates Foundation came to Dharamsala and asked His Holiness, what can we do to the Tibetans? And His Holiness said, go to Africa, help the African people. There are many who don't have food to eat. And that's how His Holiness thinks. He never asked anybody for money. And His Holiness never makes money for himself also. Most of the offerings are returned back. And except for the expenses for the private office, every other penny goes for charities. So His Holiness is not a rich man. He lives a very simple Buddhist monk as per the principles of Buddhism. So this is something I wanted to make clear at this conference, even though it's not directly connected, because these are issues that keep coming up, and I thought this is a good platform to clarify this, aside from the statement that came from His Holiness' office.